Here's how to install our OCAM roof rack for the Toyota Hilux N70. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws holding in the sunglasses holder. Disconnect the light in the process. Remove the Phillips screws holding in the sun visor hinge and clip and set aside. Use a pick to expose the 2 Phillips screws on the roof handles and remove. Repeat this process for the other handles. Remove the A-pillar handle, peel off the door seal and pop out the A-pillar cover. Repeat on the other side. Use a pick to remove the cover on the front seat belt and undo the 14mm bolt. Remove the door seals and pop out the B-pillar cover. Repeat on the other side. Repeat this process for the rear seat belt as well, but just pop out the rear cover enough for the roof lining to drop. Remove the ceiling light cover and its 2 Phillips screws. Disconnect and set aside. Once everything is undone, gently lower the roof lining.